Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Talk Help, guys. So, for today, I'm gonna show you how to fix lagging problems on YouTube. So, very quickly, what you want to do here is first of all, check your Wi Fi connection. So, if your Wi Fi connection is okay, if it's up and running, then that shouldn't be a problem at all. The next thing you want to check is if you have any installed extensions like this one, because these extensions sometimes they have ad blockers which affects YouTube because of course YouTube has ads in its platform. So what you want to do here is you want to disable this, or you want to remove it from Chrome completely, and that's it. If the lagging still occurs, check your Wi-Fi or check your computer itself. Maybe there are a lot of tabs open. That could also cause a lot of problems in terms of lagging. And yeah, hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please, of course, not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.